Hi, my name is Michael Weisner. I'm an animator, illustrator, and graphic designer, and today I'm going to show you how to draw an animal from the rainforest. Let's get started. Alright guys, to begin with our rainforest animal, you have to pick an animal. I'm going to pick a tree frog because it's a little bit easier to draw and it's a lot more cuter. First, I'm going to begin with the head. Draw his mouth a bit. Draw one of his eyes. Draw another one. Begin drawing out his body. Now we've got that. Let's go ahead and rough out his fingers. Now notice with his fingers, a little bit longer than most other frog stuff because they have to grab onto more to survive. Alright, now we've got him roughed out. Let's start hardening the lines to bring him out more. There we go. That's our tree frog. And that's how you draw an animal from the rainforest. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time.